If you're looking for a quick and easy way to transform your photos into professional-looking headshots, then you're in the right place. In this review, we're diving deep into Headshot Photo AI, one of the latest AI software tools designed to make headshot editing effortless. Whether you're a professional looking to upgrade your portfolio or just someone who needs a good photo for LinkedIn, this software could be a game changer. Stick around till the end. I've got an exciting offer to share, and you won't want to miss it. Right off the bat, the Headshot Photo AI software has one clear goal: to make editing your photos to look like professional headshots as quick and easy as possible. You don't need any graphic design skills, and you don't need a high-end camera. Just upload a regular photo and let the AI work its magic. Now, what makes this software stand out? First off, it's incredibly user-friendly. Once you've uploaded your photo, the AI analyzes the image, adjusts the lighting, sharpens details, and even smooths out blemishes. The best part? It does all of this in a matter of seconds. Another big advantage is the software's ability to create multiple variations of your headshot. You can upload a single photo, and Headshot Photo AI will give you different versions with slight variations in lighting, backgrounds, and styles. This is especially useful if you're trying to choose the best photo for a professional profile or a social media update. But let's talk about accuracy. A major concern with any AI software is whether it can capture the finer details. Headshot Photo AI does a remarkable job of maintaining your natural look. Unlike other photo editing tools that can overdo it, making your face look unnatural, this software is designed to enhance, not alter, your features. It's subtle, but you'll notice the difference when you compare the before and after images. What I love about Headshot Photo AI is that it works for both casual and more corporate settings. Whether you want a formal LinkedIn profile photo or a more relaxed version for your social media, you can easily switch between different looks. It gives you a lot of flexibility, and it's something that's not always available in other headshot tools. Another key feature that sets this software apart is its speed. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, speed is essential. Headshot Photo AI makes it incredibly easy to get a polished, professional photo without wasting time fiddling around with complex tools. You can have a high-quality headshot ready in less than a minute, which is a huge time saver if you need one on the go. Now, I know you might be wondering about the price. The great thing about Headshot Photo AI is that it offers a free version. Yes, you can try it out for free through the first link below. You get full access to the software and you can test its capabilities without committing. If you decide you want access to premium features like additional styles or higher resolution images, there are affordable subscription plans available. One more thing worth mentioning. Headshot Photo AI is constantly improving. The developers are actively working to fine-tune the software and add new features. If you're someone who loves staying ahead of trends, this is a software you'll want to keep an eye on. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Headshot Photo AI completely free by clicking the link below. After reviewing thousands of AI tools, this one stands out for its combination of ease, effectiveness, and affordability. If you're serious about upgrading your photos or creating polished headshots in record time, give it a shot. In the description, I've also included a list of other recommended AI tools that I've personally tested and love. So go ahead, check them out, and see which one fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.